got the name down now, Kanchanaburi.
One more night and then we take the night train tomorrow night to Copenhagen.
What's up?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, okay. Today the plan is to go to like an elephant place and some river rafting. We've talked to a few of the organisers, a few people running it, and and they say it's reasonably good. So yeah, I'm quite happy about that. I don't want to go on it if it's a shit one, but one of the girls organising it, she's quite passionate apparently about it, so we should be pretty safe. There's a big party going on and it's like 9 AM. We've made it to the elephant sanctuary. We got the rundown from the guy, and he says that it's, as far as elephant places go, it's reasonably good. I mean, they still have the hooks and everything that they have to train them with, but he says it's just part of training elephants. You're never going to get something perfect, but it's a lot better environment than anything else out there that's for them. They have done some research into it and found a better one. They've still got like some chains around them, but it's like a leash for a dog and things like that. So all in all, I think it's reasonably good.
It was quite fun. It was a lot better than I thought it was going to be, because when we booked this it didn't say anything about elephants, and I probably wouldn't have been as keen if it did say that you were going to do elephant stuff. But
just because in Thailand it's really hit or miss with elephant places. They're either going to be like good or they're going to be really bad. You don't really want to support the bad ones at all.
Yeah, it was fun. Then we did like a little river boat ride.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
Well, like they had the 2 rafts, but pretty much everybody just floated down the river. It was so good, wasn't it?
Yeah, now I'm so tired though. I was going to have a nap and then maybe get a manicure.
Yeah. So half the group has gone off to do another boat ride. The other half is just sitting in at about 7 o'clock. It's one of the girls' birthdays, I think tomorrow night, but we'll be on a night train. So tonight we're just going to have a big group dinner for it and wish her happy birthday. Until then we're probably going to nap though, aren't we? Yeah.
Back from dinner and I found a cat, and it looks like a really nice cat, not like a manky street cat, like a good cat. So I was giving it some pets and then it loved me, and now we have a room cat. Come on, come here. Hello. Oh, purebred Persian or something. Okay, cat, it's time to go now. Sorry. Leave a wee present there for Max. Bye.